everyone. My name is Ronnie Grano, a grade 7 representative. Grade San Jose.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Laika Ezra Z. Palma, 12 grade 7!
It's summertime. Ladies looking hot. Shake it up, rock the hot. Everybody can't come
And for our male representative for grade 7 student, the hashtag is perseverance.
Again, the hashtag is perseverance.
For me, perseverance is the forces that turn obstacles into stepping stones to success. It is the driving force that pushes athletics to rise up after every fall, fight harder after every lose, and give their all until the final whistle.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Start with the representative of Unit 1. We have Ms. Laika Ezra Palma. So again, the question is, what is the importance of the hashtag in relation to the school activities like intramurals? Your hashtag is community building.
Para sa akin, ang intrams ay hindi lamang laban ng lakas at galing, kundi ng puso at pagkakaisa. Bilang Miss Intrams candidate, nais kong maging boses ng pagkakaunawaan at respeto.